Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. Cancer. So under the deck, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, the Empress, and Ten of Wands. I think you are feeling overburdened here, Capricorn. Maybe you only the person always investing in this connection. This person may be in and out of your life. So you want to take your power back here, and you want to become a emotionally very strong person. For some, you are working on your inner strength here. Yes, you started loving yourself and taking care of yourself, Capricorn. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life. A new love is entering in your life. Right now, you are decided to holding back. Yeah, you decided to holding back here because Four of Pentacles. You are holding back. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hermit, King of Pentacles, and Cancer. That is Chariot. I think the relationship between you and your person is very slow moving. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. But there is no stability. For some stability issues, for some your person is always in and out of your life. So in recent past, you gone through a transformation also because the hermit is there. Maybe lots of you are in no contact situation. Then present King of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Queen of Wands. So in present, you are focusing on yourself here. You took your power back, and your wishes going to be granted. And King of Cups, I think you still have strong emotions towards your person, and for some, a brand new person is entering in your life to enter their cup of love to you. For some, you have options, guys. Then future, Two of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. Uh, Someone is coming to offer equal give and take and their love to you. Maybe some of you want to leave behind everything and want to give second chance to this person, and some of you you are not accepting this. That's you decided to walk away. Here two cases, because they treated you as an option or they neglected you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Six of Wands under the deck. They want success, Capricorn. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Let's see their intentions also. Very heavy energy, very heavy energy. So under the deck, Four of Swords. Yeah, lots of you, it is a clear message. You both are in separation or no contact. If you are in a relationship with this person, this is on and off. Yeah, because it there. So let's see under the deck, Four of Swords, Page of Cups, Strength, and Nine of Cups. They're wishing for this connection right now, and right now your person is also working on their inner strength. And Page of Cups, yeah, definitely if they did hurt you, they want to say apology, or there is some random text message is coming, but after some time, because right now your person is also taking rest, healing themselves here. So the current feelings, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Hanged Man. So right now your person is totally stuck. They can't do anything right now. Yeah, they want to do, but right now they can't. Maybe they have some fears. Maybe there is someone is stopping them. That's why they are guarded up. Maybe circumstances are not under your person control. Definitely your person is stuck. Maybe they have options, they don't know which one they have to choose. And their intentions, Three of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Knight of Cups. So they're being cold with you, but this is not the truth. They are madly missing you, because Three of Swords is here. Definitely they're missing you. Your person is in a very sad situation right now, Capricorn. But finally they decided to come back, Knight of Cups. So they want to offer their cup of love to you. For some, apology is coming. Yeah, definitely they will come, but it will take time, because right now your person feeling stuck. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yeah, communication, Devil. Maybe you are dealing with Capricorn here, another Capricorn. So definitely there is communication is coming from their side. And Three of Pentacles, now this person is really serious about you and really want to work on this relationship. And Two of Swords, yeah, for some maybe in past they are holding back, they are at some crossroads, but now they're getting clarity what they want. That's why Three of Pentacles is here. They really want to work on this relationship. The Devil, for some maybe they have some fears regarding this relationship. Yeah, your person is totally stuck. They are stuck on you, or they are stuck in some situation. But finally they're going to be communicate with you. Cards are jumping. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. Yeah, you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. You're just wishing and hoping for the best. Capricorn, yeah, they're coming back with an apology here, but you are being very patient and you're balancing things within yourself. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, they want some positive growth. I think you both are stubborn, but they're finally going to make a move towards you. But you are on your power, Capricorn. You turn your back from the situation. You are doing your own thing, because they did hurt you in past. Five of Swords energies here. You still have that pain in your heart. Uh, you are not releasing that energy. You still have that energy in your heart. But they're going to communicate with you. It's up to you then, because Page of Wands, yeah, for some kids also involved in this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Toxic person, decision time, and you are the only one for me. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. Luck is on your side. Full moon in Sagittarius. New moon in Sagittarius. A fairy climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. And look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius or Aries here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.